A lot of employees are bleeding. A lot of employers are bleeding. People are staying at home. People are not going to work. People do not have means to put food on the table.
So today we are gathered here as Celebration Church in partnership with Engen Corporate Social Investments to do a distribution of 3,000 hampers, grocery hampers, to families within Diepsloot and Riversend. It is our responsibility as the seed of Abraham to make a difference in the lives of others. God has always said, you must always take care of the needy and the vulnerable. So we are taking this responsibility as part of our gospel mandate to benefit and to help and to bless others. So we do this for God's glory and to improve the lot of mankind. And we are working together with corporates and stakeholders to make a difference. We want to appreciate those who have given both in the church and outside the church.
If anyone has material possessions and sees another human being in need, but there's no pity on them, how can the love of God be in that person?
Good day. I'm Tsitsi Paso, head of Compassion Team at CCJ. With the advent of COVID-19, two major challenges have emerged in our lives. Number one, the COVID-19 disease that up to now has got no cure. Governments across the world have declared total lockdown in order to contain the pandemic. Number two, the lockdown has meant very limited economic activities except for essential services only. As a result, many livelihoods have been affected due to lack of income, especially the poor and vulnerable in communities. As Compassion Team at CCJ, we realize that it is not time to lock down our mandate, but to rise and be a solution to many who are going hungry in this season. With the resources that we had, we purchased 13 hampers for 3 widows and 10 orphans in our church. And all the money ran out. We got 3,800 through the church fundraising drive. That was hardly enough. We started appealing to corporates and even to our workplaces. Before the end of the week, we got a breakthrough. A group of Engen franchise holders through their CSI committee heeded our call. Through our pastors, they asked us to come up with a possible list of 1,000 people from the church database. They would fundraise and purchase food hampers for distribution to the hungry communities by the church. At that moment, they did not have any money but would appeal, knowing that God moves mountains. We continued to pray and started compiling the list in liaison with community leaders, school governing bodies in Diepsloot and Riverside View. The list was actually over 1,000. The Engen donors managed to raise over 150,000 rands for a total of 1,333 food hampers. Then another donor pledged 1,000 hampers in addition to the ones we had. This could only be God, for in Joel 2 verse 24 he says, "The threshing floors shall be full of grain, the vat shall overflow." Thanks to our pastors, thanks to Engen and their retailers, special thanks to all the other donors, Spiritual Cause, ABC Suites, KitKat Wholesalers, Plan Act, Maya Security, the Councillor, Police, the Army, community leaders, the volunteers, and of course, Compassion Team. In Exodus 3, God asked Moses to check what he had in his hand. He had a stick. God used Moses to liberate the children of Israel only with a stick. If God could use Moses, he can also use you. Check what you have in your hand, your faith. God is ready to use you. Remember, wash your hands, sanitize, maintain social distance. Above all, pray and give love.
When we minister to people, we minister to them spirit, soul, and body. So we believe that the mandate God has given us, we are able to put it into action.
And we believe that our community tonight, they will sleep smiling because of what you have done unto them.